Hello and welcome. In this very short video, I would like to differentiate between concatenate and Textjoin and how and where you should use these two. Okay, first of all, you see the table. I am actually concatenating client name, address, client email, website, and then client phone number, right? So if I use the concatenate and I'm checking whether the B is empty or not, if it is B has a value, okay, no, sorry, actually it's concatenating all the columns, cell. So it's simply concatenating, and in between, if you notice, I have character 10. Character 10 is new line, so it's after every cell is entering a new line and adding another cell, entering new line, adding another cell, entering new line, and adding so on. Now in concatenating, this has disadvantage. If you have cell that is empty like this, you see the empty row here, you don't want, like, if you don't want that, now if you fill up the cell, it's okay, you don't see any empty line in your result. Now disadvantage is, if you have multiple empty cell like this, you have too many, a gap between the content, between the lines. So if you don't want that, you can use this formula, Textjoin, and then you specify the kind of character between two value. I want here, for example, curtain, new line, okay, and then true is whether you want to skip the empty cell. Yes, I want to skip the empty cell, and then the range. So I have range here B3 to F3, enter, and now you see my empty cells are skipped, they are not here. If you enter here, it will be added. You got India, client email, blah blah blah, and then blah blah blah.com, and website something like blah blah blah. So you see, this is automatically adding the content in our result. So you see the advantage of using Textjoin, where you should use and where you should use the concatenate, where you are sure that the cell is not going to have empty cell. Thanks, and that's all.